It's easy to become a leader by position and hard to become by heart. Hi guys, today I'll be talking about leadership from the Lessons by Simon Sinek on how to become successful. Once happens that Simon Sinek visits a coffee shop nearby, and in that coffee shop he was greeted by a barista named Noah. Noah was very excited, full of joy, and he was fantastic. He served the coffee to Simon Sinek and greeted him pretty well. And out of curiosity, Simon asked the barista, "Do you really love your job and why you're so happy?" And without a glitch or thinking, Noah replies, "I really love and admire my job because every manager in this restaurant or the cafeteria greets him pretty well. Every manager comes to him and asks that if he's doing well, if he's okay, and if he has any kind of problem doing his job." And so Noah feels himself, feel a sense of care, feel a sense of belongingness. But then Noah says something incredible. He says that I work in a nearby restaurant as well, but there I just go, get my paycheck and come back. When he goes over there, he's just waiting for the day to be over. And Simon asks, "Why is that so? In this restaurant you're happy, but in that other restaurant you're completely opposite." Noah replies that in that restaurant where he visits part-time, there every manager is looking to get the right work done. And whenever he does anything wrong or any other employee does anything wrong, they have been pointed out. So he doesn't feel a belongingness or a feel of appreciation. He doesn't feel that he belongs over there. And that is what it creates a difference, that he loves place one and not place two. The learning and the lesson Simon wants to give to us is that there are a lot of companies where the leaders just talk about getting the right people, getting the right process, getting the right work done at the right time. But a lot of leaders do not talk about getting the right environment. And that is the difference between a good company and a great company. To create a great company, you need great leaders. There's nothing wrong with the employees. There's something wrong at the leadership level. It's always a pressurized work system where the employee is being told that you have to do the right things. But on the leadership level, the right environment is never given. And that's why a lot of people leave their job or they hate their job and they're just waiting to get the paycheck and go to home. The lesson is that to become a great leader and to build a good organization, you need to provide the right environment where the person or the working guy feels that he's actually at the right place. He feels a sense of belongingness. He should feel that he loves his job. He's passionate about it. And that can only be created if the managers, the leaders, and the higher level of people take care of their employees. Thank you guys.